Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am Trantime Marketing Software. In this video, I will guide you on how to increase interactions for TikTok livestream, increase livestream views, increase comments, increase followers for your TikTok channel. Remember to watch this entire video to know how to do it. This software will help you manage large number of TikTok accounts. The more TikTok accounts you have, the more useful it is. If you want to increase interaction for livestream, you choose the seeding function. Here you can seed by profile, seeding video, or seeding livestream. To increase interaction for livestream, you choose seeding livestream. Here you just need to paste the link to the livestream on TikTok. Next, you install the software to follow the TikTok channel or comment. For comments, you can prepare the comment script according to your wishes, enter the content you want to seed. And next, you just need to select all your TikTok accounts in the software. And just select the start item and the software will automatically seed live stream according to the script you set up. In addition, the software also has many other features. The software also helps you post videos in bulk to the TikTok channel, attach product links, comment on profiles, share videos, follow profiles. Anyone interested, please contact directly via the contact information I leave below in the comments.